Every baby deserves to be wrapped in love, real, thoughtful, everyday love, and that's exactly what Pampers Amore was created for. Because in those first months, every moment matters. Every cuddle, every nap, every late night feeding, and every diaper change. Yes, even those become part of your baby's story. Pampers Amore is designed with one purpose: to keep your baby comfortable, protected, and feeling loved from the very first touch. The inside is unbelievably soft, like a tiny cloud made just for them, because your baby's skin is delicate and they deserve the gentlest care. And let's talk about dryness. Pampers Amore locks away wetness quickly, helping keep your baby dry. That means fewer nighttime wake ups, fewer outfit changes, and more peaceful sleep for both of you. The fit is flexible, hugging your baby just right, never too tight, never too loose. So whether they're wiggling, rolling, or discovering their toes for the first time, they stay comfortable and protected. But what really makes Pamper more special is the intention behind it. It's not just a diaper. It's a way to say, I've got you, you're safe, you're loved every single day. Because parenting isn't about perfection. It's about showing up with love in the big moments and the tiny ones. And Pamper More is here to support you through all of it. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.